Are you planning to buy anything from Temu? Hold a second, I have got a special gift for you. Just follow only this 5 steps, but make sure you watch this and follow all the 5 steps, because if you don't use this secret coupon code, you are literally wasting money. Thousands of products on Temu already have big discount, but with this coupon link below, you will get even more savings and even free items. Here, what you have to do, just only click on the link in the description below. Open the Temu app. Number 3, add anything in your cart you want to buy. Number 4, check out, use my special coupon code, and boom, discount unlocked. And in this some case, free gift as well. And yes, this works for both new and existing users. Even if you already have an account, you can unlock new rewards by using friends' phone and email. It works every time, but don't wait. This offer is only available for limited time. Once it's gone forever. Click the link in the description, use the code, and enjoy your Temu shopping today. Like and comment if you want to see more secret detail like this. Have fun.